So hello, this is tutorial video how to change the braking strut at the end of the caravan brake or RV brake. So let's get to it. It's Alco 150V type of brake. As you can see, I already removed the old strut, and which is this one, the old one. This is the new one. It's pretty simple. You just have to remove this cover. This cover is held in, just clip it in, and there is like a kind of a nut, plastic nut at the end, which screws into the strut itself. I had two additional Phillips screws here and here from the inside, which hold it on the place. To remove the strut itself, it's really simple. There is this head at the start of the caravan, and you have two bolts through the part. It's a T55. I bought T55 for the impact gun, and just simply unscrew both. One hold just the front of the like a braking system or the handling system. And the second one holds in place also the strut itself. So one has this kind of tube inside just to be there, and one is through that strut. After that, you just have to remove a nut at the end of the strut, which is this one. You need two 17 millimeters 70 millimeters. You just need two because you should hold it here and unscrew it on the other side, because otherwise it will rotate, because it's just simple strut. To put it back together, you just put the strut inside like this. Don't forget to use the washer and the plastic or rubber washer at the end. It will go like this, and you can see the brake is moving quite easily. You just have to go through that, and like this, put the nut here and make it inside. I have it like a little bit like this. So you just have to use screwdriver or something to move it backwards a little bit, and go with that bolt through it to not move again. Yeah, and that's it. Put everything back together and you are done. Very simple.